What up, Kennel Crew? It's definitely a wacky Wednesday. We're live with a 3-box NBA Mixer PYT number 13. Excuse me, 66. The 3 boxes in this PYT include one 2021 Donruss Optic Cello box, one 2021 Prism Cello box, and one 2021 Prism Retail box. We're going to start with the Optic. Why? Because Breaker's Choice. This one went live in the store at 9 a.m. Pacific time this morning. Thank you all to those of you that hopped in. Really appreciate you. Good luck, everybody. Oh, man, my stomach hurts. Oh. All right. Nice one here for the Grizz, a purple Bane. Flat bill. Nice hit there, buddy. Ray Allen. Oh, nice one here for the Knicks as well. Okay. We're off to a sizzling start here in Optic Cello box number 1. It's a nice little quickly there. That's a stand card to start us off, if I ever seen one. Halliburton and the Kings. Oh, sick. Precious. What up, Gary? Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, Gary. Welcome back. Woo! Gary's in the house, y'all. Finally. John Wall. Kawhi, welcome back, Gary. Najee, Carey, and a Hayes. Welcome back, Gary. We missed you, buddy. We were in a freaking warp there, buddy. We were in a warp. Yeah, we're good, Gary. Gary, type a 1 when you hear this. Type a 1 and hit enter when you hear this, Gary. Let's do a test. We're testing you right now, Gary. Type a 1 and hit enter. Hayes, Middleton, and Oubre. We got to figure out how far you're behind you are. When you hear this, type a 1 and then hit enter. Stop, Big 3D. Purple AD for the Lakers. My house. Elijah Hughes had a poker. All right. Oh, nice Zion here. Zion Laser. Booker and Ellaby. There he is. Okay, he's not too far behind. Lillard, splash for the Trailblazers. Gary knew what he was doing all along. He was going after Hollow Dames because that's his favorite player. He wanted to make sure he got every one of them. And have Deja, Ramsey, and the Bay. Bridges, Graham, and the McCullum. Yeah, I think you're right, Ashton. Kemba Walker, purple. Booker, a hollow Dragic, Malachi Flynn, and a Patrick Williams for the Bulls. Oladipo, Okogie, hey Cole Anthony for the Magic. A hollow Booker for the Suns. Splash Booker. Warren Neesmith and a Woodard. What up? What up, Gary? Welcome back to live, buddy. Levert, Powell, and Tobias Harris. Eric Gordon, purple. Hey, Jordan wore a hollow for the Bucks. Nice one there for Filler John. Carmelo, Rose, and then Okoro for the Cavs. Ooh, a checkerboard. Serge Ibaka for the Clippers. Pritchard, Anthony Edwards, and a Stanley. Markel Fultz Rui, and a Jaylen Brown. Gary Payton, Hampton, and a Maladon. Joker Kawhi for the Clippers, and a Mannion. A Jason Williams, Azubuike, Wiseman, and DeRiller. Bledsoe, John Morant, nice one there for the Grizz, and a Desmond Bain. So 2 back-to-back nice ones for the Grizz on the lasers. Christian Wood, purple. A Curry, my house. A Bledsoe hollow. So we're going for the Bledsoe rainbow here. Quickly, and a Tillman. Big Jimmy, or who's on the Pelicans? Yeah, Gumby was like, you know what? The whole reason that this draft worked out the way it did was so I could come up with the Bledsoe rainbow. I bet you that sells on eBay. Westbrook, Dragic, and Sabonis. Nice purple splash LeBron. Porzingis, Hardaway, and a Culver. I got so many helmets here, Gumby. I promise to organize more helmet breaks in about a month or two. I've got so many helmets and jerseys, Gumby. We can have fun. I've got so much. So just give me a couple months. Let me get into my new space, get organized, figure out what I have, what we can do, how many cases I have. I have a lot. Bryant Herder, Serge Ibaka, silver, and a Trey Jones. Yeah, this is box 2 of 3. Hardaway, Nidalinka, silver, and a Levine. A Ruby, James Johnson for the T-Wolves. A Kungwu and a Richards. We are making you famous, Gary. Gary. We've already found you a Jason Tatum 101 in like your second break. That is pretty dang famous, man. That is about as famous as it gets right there. Trae Young, Seth Curry, a silver Isaiah Stewart for the Pistons. Nobi Toppin for the Knicks. Collins, a Ruby Pascal, followed by a Carter. Morant and Martin. Giannis. Cole Anthony. Very nice one here for the Bulls. That's you, Gary. Silver Patrick Williams. Nice hit there, my friend. A Kogi and a Cantor. Kogi and a Stewart. green PJ. We did find an auto. We did find an auto. It's for the Kings. A rookie penmanship Ramsey for the Kings. Nice hit there, Bad Habits. Silver Burtons and a Woodard. A Jalen Smith silver. Schroeder red and the Najee. All right, last pack of box 2 here. Auto hit, yeah. Yeah, at least it was a rookie. At least it was a rookie and not some obscure. Who is that dude that owns his own funeral home services or something? Carl Gant or something like that. Dinwiddie, Steph Curry. A silver Luka. Wow, banging first pack here. Had a silver Luka for the Mavs. Banging first pack there for Gary G. There you go, Gary. Nice one there for you, Chef Choi. Ayton, Lowry, and a Smith. Who won? Rui and a Green Hill. A Denny. Gallinari, Adams, and a maxi. Peyton, Washington, a Chuiwa, and a Vassell. Shaquille O'Neal, McDermott, Wiseman, Mannion, and a Winston. Dinwiddie, Muade, and Shaq. Warren, Knox, Silver, Garland. Collins, Harden, and Kawhi. SGA, Green. Hill, Reddish, and an Azubuike. Walker, and Awara. Silver Trey Jones, a green Collins, a green Harden. Jones, Tatum, and a Fournier. Howard, a green Toppin for the Knicks. Nice hit there, Gary. Luka. Dwayne Bacon, Tice, Ramsey. Kenny Martin, silver. Oh, my goodness. We have been on fire with these. Break after break after break. Sick hit there, Nike Phil. Found one, LaMelo. I got more Pokemon in. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. That's another 3 cases of Pokemon. That's literally like $1,800 worth of Pokemon booster boxes right there. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing with it. I don't know why. I'm gonna have the biggest collection of fucking Pokemon boosters on the West Coast by the time this is all said and done. Huh? Oh my god! Wow, unbelievable. Unfucking believable here. That's sick. We'll end this break with a little bang here. Second to last pack. Back-to-back LeBrons. Unbelievable. Andrew Wiggins, silver. Bradley, green. Josh Green. Caruso, Noel, and a Brown. So, I mean, look at that stand. That stand is incredible with the laser LeBron, the green and red, white, blue LeBron. Silver Martin, green Toppin, red, white, blue Tatum, silver Jones, red, white, blue Wara, Martin, red, white, blue Maxey, the green Curry, silver Luka, silver Patrick Williams, Cole Anthony, silver Stewart, laser Ja, checkerboard Ibaka, purple Bane. The fuck? Wiseman, Edwards, Hollow Wara, laser Anthony, laser Williamson, the Ramsey penmanship, the base Mello, the purple splash LeBron, the hollow Quickly, the blue laser LeBron, the green LeBron, and the red, white, blue LeBron. What a break for the Lakers. That was a killer break for the Lakers. Nice hits there. Nike Phil. Knocked those two out of the rainbow with one break. That's freaking amazing. Thanks for the fill, y'all.